I'm here today at the car wash about to wash the world's dirtiest BMX bike. The lighting's pretty bad. The sun is right overhead, but that's the ceiling, so there's no sun coming in here. But I'm gonna do this anyway, and I'm gonna start with some of this citrus cleaner in a Windex bottle and just kind of soak the bike with citrus cleaner. The bike is incredibly grimy. I don't know why. Maybe they stored it in a dirt factory or something. Some of the grime is starting to come off already, just from the citrus cleaner. Now I'm gonna predict that the high pressure hose will get rid of a lot of this grime, but this is something that probably really needs to be scrubbed by hand, which I'm not going to do. So who knows how well it'll come out. Let's see. I'm using a ton of this citrus cleaner and I'm gonna have to switch hands now because my hand's getting tired. Ah, there we go. Back in style. Spray the pedals down. Axle pegs, the rims, the brakes. Both sides. Wow. Gotta switch hands again. I never knew this was gonna be such hard work. Cleaning a crappy old Mongoose. No, this isn't a crappy Mongoose, it's a pro Mongoose. Pro. Forged in the fires of hell. Luckily I buy this citrus cleaner by the gallon, because I think I'm using about 2 gallons on this thing today. Get all around the tires. See the Mongoose logo? Get around the back side of the tires. Always wear flip-flops when you do this, otherwise you get soaking wet. Oh, look at this awkward angle. Okay. Now that I've spent like 16 minutes doing that, here's the fun part. I've already put my Sacagawea dollar coins up here on top of the thing. 1, 2, 3. That gives us 4.5 minutes. Let's start. Wow, that's working incredibly well. It's so powerful it knocked the bike right over. Look at those little red star grips coming clean. Maybe coming off. I don't want to get too close to the pedal. This water is hot. It's like taking a shower. Turns out this bike is in pretty crappy condition underneath all the dirt. It's all rusty. Wow, that's fun. Huh. I got it all over my leg. It's like getting peed on over here. Wow. I'm getting blasted. You dumbass bastard. Alright, now the bike is flipped over. I should really get a camera person so I can clean the thing while somebody else tapes it. There's no tape. But look at this grime coming off. This is probably the most satisfying pressure washing I've ever done. Not to say that the bike is any good afterwards. It's just a really horrible mongoose, but the dirt's coming off like crazy. I'll get up under the seat. Uh-oh. Get the stem. See, that's not dirt, that's rust. I might have to stop doing these pressure washing videos because this is costing me $3. Maybe I'll get my own pressure washer, but that's not as fun. Plus, they never work. All right, I'm gonna flip it upside down. There's the alarm. I've only got a minute left, and I'm glad I flipped it upside down because there's a lot of dirt and grime there. Hey, look. I didn't even do that on purpose. Now the bike is riding itself like a ghost. All right, so what's the end result? We've got this mongoose that's 1,000 times cleaner than it was before. Now this is not a great bike, but some kid would want it, and he wouldn't have wanted it if he saw it all grimy like that. So I'll do some finishing touches, you know, wipe off a little bit more grime here and there, clean it up, make sure the tires are aired up, do some detail work on the rims, and then some kid can enjoy this bike and ride it for many, many years until it gets stolen and covered with gold spray paint in the ghetto. So thanks for watching.